If you're a seasoned professional like Ambesh is, you have probably scheduled your Microsoft exams multiple times already, and sometimes the date you picked is the wrong date, so you need to reschedule. And Ambesh will today show us how this works and what you need to think about when doing it. Over to you, Ambesh.
Thank you so much, Marius. Let me start with a quick story. A few weeks ago, my friend Michael was gearing up for his Microsoft certification. He has been preparing for the week's late night practice test and even skipping weekends plan to stay focused. Everything was on track. But just 2 days before the exams, Michael received an unexpected news. His father has been hospitalized. Naturally, Michael dropped everything and rushed to be with his family. In the middle of the emotions and all of the stress, he realized that his exams were scheduled for the next day. He was worried. Would he lose the exams fees? Would he have been wait months to rebook? Thankfully, there is a solution many people overlooked. You can reschedule your Microsoft certification exams easily through the PersonVUE. Today, I will be walking you through the exactly how to do this step by step, whether it's a personal emergency, health issues, or simply needing more time to the preparation. Rescheduling is a simple, flexible, and can save you a lot of stress. Let me explore how to take controls of your certification journey, even when your life throughout your curveball. So I will just quickly share my screen. Now, if you can see on my screen here, like I'm right now to the Learn portal where I have my upcoming exams appointment. So one of the exam appointment is getting fell into the next week. I have to simply go and click here on the rescheduled. Please make a note. There is a timeline that you have to reschedule the exam in the given timeline. So if you are less than 24 hours, you cannot reschedule your exams. It is more for the administration perspective for your certification, because on the background there are a lot of the jobs running. They schedule the test papers and everything out of the box. Your moderator and every person will be behind that one. So I just click it here, and then you have to fill some of the personal information before your rescheduled request transferred to the Pearson view. So here you simply just fill out all of your personal data like your address, city, state, region, postal code, country code, phone numbers, and the contact email are the required field. You cannot skip except the address too. You can simply submit it. The moment you submit it, you will be redirected to the Pearson view. And on the PersonVUE website, you will see all of the exams, which is right now in the pipeline. So simply example, I have to go and reschedule the PL200 Microsoft Power Platform Functional Consultant. I can just simply click it here. And after clicking, you will get a pop-up for the important exam information, and they will simply say, please be aware that the refundable deposits may be required on your next scheduling attempt. If you do not show for your exams appointment, please always remember to cancel or reschedule exams you cannot attend. So Microsoft or the PSN already gave this pop-up notification to you. If you can't do, then simply go and reschedule or cancel it. Here you will see your landing page for the Pearson view. Simply you can click on the rescheduled. The moment you click on the rescheduled here, you will get a calendar there. So you can pick up any of the available date for your feasibility. So suppose I would like to go probably for the examination on the 7th of December instead of the 1st of November. I will get it, and then you will get the recommendation time based on the AI. AI works here also, that you can pick up this slot. But again, you can explore the more slots available there, and you will see that for the given particular time hours or the hour duration, you have 10 slots available, 16 slots available, and so on. So suppose I would like to schedule something in between 5:15 to 9 a.m. and I simply go and select one of the available time here, example 8:30 in the morning, and then I can simply click on the book appointment. It will process your request, take a bit of the time, but then it asks you to go for some of the text there where you have to acknowledge. All of the fields are mandatory. You have to select all of the check boxes after reading this. For me, I read multiple times, but I would recommend if you are coming to the first time, you should read all of the exam policies here and how your data has been used, how your facial recognition or some of your biometric can be used, and all the other information beyond that one. So after that, you can agree with that, or if you don't want to agree, you can disagree. And then on this page, You will see the new appointment date for the December 7, 2025, check-in time, and so on. And then you will also get some of your personal information here, which definitely will be blurred out because of my personal data protection. In the final processing of the video, you simply click on the next, and then you are almost done, and you can just confirm the reschedule. So moment you confirm the reschedule, you will get a notification via email to your mailboxes. Plus, also you will get here that your appointment has been confirmed and the original appointment has been changed. Please remember to remove any previous added calendar reminders, because might be you downloaded the calendar invite and you already put it in your Outlook and available mailboxes. And that is all from now. And here, like as I already mentioned here, after doing this, all the activities, what you have seen today, because life doesn't always follow our calendars. Whether it's a personal emergency like Michael's, a sudden change in the plan, or simply needing more time to feel confident, rescheduling your Microsoft certification exam is not only possible, it's easy and stress-free with the PersonVUE. Your certification journey should empower you, not pressure you. So take control, stay flexible, and remember the goal is progress, not perfection. Thank you for joining me today. I hope the session gave you the clarity and the confidence to manage your exam schedule with the ease. If you have any question or need any help navigating the process, feel free to reach out. Wishing you all the best for your certification journey. And also, before dropping off, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it, like and share the videos, and share the videos with all of your colleagues or the friend who are preparing for the Microsoft certification, so they already know what could be the process when suddenly, if they, for the some unforeseen issues, they have to reschedule their exam. Thank you so much again.